In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Click on this, right? Click on the settings. If you love to enable dark mode in your Windows 11, this is what you're going to do right now. Click on these personalizations, right? Click on these colors, right? Once you've clicked on these colors, you're going to see this choose your mode, right? Change the colors that appear in your windows and your apps. So you can see it's currently in the light mode. If I turn this on to the dark mode, right, I will automatically switch my windows to the dark mode, right? So you can see it. I'm currently in the dark mode right now, right? I'm currently in the dark mode. So if I reduce this, you can see I am in the dark mode right now. So I can still just click on it and switch it on to the light mode, right? So everything is back to normal. Yeah, so this is how you can enable dark mode in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.